Mombasa koni wadhno osechako bedo gi dhungruok mar osike kaluwore gi mwandu mathoth mawuok e pinje maoko e dweni mar Desemba. Jata tije wadhno Kapten William Ruto koni maendi timore kaluwore gi medruok mar kwan meli magowe wadhno nyaka ne med yare mar ting'o osike mathoth kaachiel kod bero chenro mamoko magitayo. E thuolo mar ndalo 12 mabiro, jotelono okoni wath ma Mombasa geto yudo meli madongo mag osike maromo 25. Kata kamano, okoni giikore mar neno ni chenro duto itayo e wadhno maonge ng'ikruok moro amora.
The ship is carrying more than 2,000 containers. And out of those containers, they will be doing 541 containers, which is about 1,000 TEUs for the port of Dar es Salaam. The reason why they are doing that is because of the emerging congestion that is in the port of Dar es Salaam, and out of our efficiency. And I think I've been able to demonstrate to you very well that within our region, we are now facing serious congestion because of the Christmas season. We are receiving several imports, and even from what I've shared with you, within the next 12 days, we are expecting 25 vessels carrying containers.
In comparison with other ports, we feel more at home and we feel more comfortable here in Mombasa. Unfortunately, we are not enjoying some performances in other ports, and this is a problem for all the East Africa service, because at the end, on several ports in one schedule, even if only one port is destroying the performances and the schedule, at the end is affecting the full schedule.